Yes, my people, welcome back to Shaggy Cooking Lifestyle, the place where we make all the delicious meal. So today we are going to make steamed fish, and this fish is called Barracuda. We are going to do Barracuda steam today with potatoes and crackers. We have all our ingredients over here, almost cut up. I have my coconut right here. I'm going to go ahead and start blend my coconut first. So yes, guys, here I have my fish, my barracuda, and I'm going to season my barracuda right now. So I have my fish seasoning right here. I'm going to just dry rub my fish.